Good morning! This is INDAYLYNZ ng inyong ate. Welcome to my channel. This is a vlog 7 Saturday. We have dinner tonight. It's a roast chicken. We put in the oven into 172 hours per siya iluluto together with the vegetables, guys. Include this one. And it look like yummy and so delicious. I make also the gravy for them, use for the remaining juice from the chicken, and I just put plain flour 2 tablespoons. Then we have salt and pepper and chicken stock, and also tomato sauce. Yan po, guys. Ito ay homemade cooked food dinner tonight. My mother-in-law is enjoy this food, and she eat more. Happy and my boy enjoy also the chicken. I put toppings is lemongrass, red onions, garlic, and scratched the bread. Fresh bread. I mix all together, and then we put inside on the chicken, and just put oil and pepper outside in the chicken, and put a little bit of water. Hi guys, this is what my shopping today from Aldi, Coles, and Best and Less for weekend. Also grocery, but I cannot be. I already organized all the stuff from the kitchen. I forget to video, so I have this. So right now, this is I brought from Best and Less, guys, for Scotty. I get this one for 12, so I pay for this for $8.75. One t-shirt. Yan po ang kanyang t-shirt. Malaki yung kinuha ko. Yan po. Maganda siya. Miami Beach. Yung design niya sa kanyang harap. Ayan po. Then, the other one is the snake. What does that say? It's snake. It tell you make a viper crew. Yan. At may pang ano din ako kay sa bibi ni Mads from Philippines. Ayan. Hopefully they do this one. It's also $8 each din. 18 to 24 months. Yan. Tatlo tong binili ko. Magaganda to, guys. Ganito din akong bumili kay CJ. Ayan. Kay Mads Grace po to for the Philippines. And this is my brush hair for $7. Now it's $3. And I brought also bra. Pasensya na kayo, mas malukit-lukit. Ayan, naganda yung bra nila, guys. Yan na, ano to? How much it is? I forgot na. Basta nasa $4 o $3 yung isa. Yan. May red ako. Nakalibog-libog. Na yan, 3 bra. Tapos may 2 chakis. Yan po. Bikini. I like bikini panty. Super. That's my favorite bikini panty. Yan, 2 po to. Pasensya na. And bumili din ako sa Aldi. Ito po yung binili ko sa Aldi. $5.50 yung socks nila, guys. Ayan, may 3 na piraso. Ayan. Orange, blue, sky blue. Sa video, sky blue, pero sa real color, it's green. I don't know why. And purple. And I have also this shake, slim and cream, strawberry flavor. I have 5 pieces also. This one, I like this one to drink in the morning. And I have also the Belmont biscuit, our Scotch finger. I'm gonna send this one to the Philippines for my mom. He loves that one. And I got 2 boxes here, almost ready to go. And for the next year, for my garden, I'm gonna get this one because it's on sale. Gardening line, yan, pick an affordable spray, good for the garden for next year. I have that. And this one also is for the what's so going for the Philippines. And also this one, I got this. It's also the chocolate one. I have two flavor caramel. Yeah, this is dairy caramel and dairy milk hazelnuts. Two different flavor for $1 each. And I have this from the one from Kohl's and this one from Aldi. This is my big present for the Mother's Day. Yan. It's a king size. Its real price is $79, so he down for $59 na lang siya, guys, for so lovely color, and I like it. And this is my one of my presents for Mother's Day for myself. Nah, this is my present. The flowers for my mother-in-law and my CJ and hubby. Ayan. I hope, guys, you enjoy watching my video and let me know. Please comment down below for my vlog. Baka ipunin ko lahat yon and shout out ko kung sino yung mga nag-comment sa akin at magpaano din ako. End of the month, magparapo po ako ng something na makapagbigay saya sa inyong lahat, guys. Thank you very much and hope continue watching until the end. And we're gonna get some more raffles. Thank you and God bless to all.